2020 has been a tough year for all of us, no doubt. But one Notre Dame company isn't just surviving the COVID-19 pandemic, it's thriving and giving fans the chance to own a piece of fighting Irish history.
Irish Woodworks is sort of a merger of two different ideas. Let's maybe try something that merges these two concepts together, and we'll call it Irish Woodworks.
So, in September, in the middle of a global pandemic, the intel that heads up the Idea Center at Notre Dame took the leap. Ornaments, coasters, custom cufflinks.
All the threads are gone, but it's been out there for, 80 plus years.
And even your own section of wooden bench from Notre Dame Stadium.
The first step is always to clean it. The boards come to us quite dirty from outdoor storage, but also, of course, from many years of having chewing gum, pasted on the bottom of it. So we clean them with a wire brush and then brush those down. That's kind of step one. Step two is to cut it to a certain length with a number in the correct position so that we can put all of the engraving on in the appropriate space as the final step. And in that final step, we use our universal 150-watt laser to custom engrave a person's name and class onto each stadium bench. We keep abreast of modern woodworking techniques. We see what the community is generating and we say, okay, can we apply that? In most cases, we'll put things out there on the site and see if people gravitate toward them or not.
One of those pieces that people are noticing, the Notre Dame wall art. This 4-foot-tall shamrock is laser cut, then punched through with the ultimate goal of being put in your home.
You see it in our motto, which is made at ND, for ND, to support ND. About half of all revenues come back to the university in the form of royalties, distributions, and payments for the use of equipment and things like that. That's another motivating factor with this company, and it's a reason that we're so compelled to do it.
Irish Woodworks has received, believe it or not, over 1,200 orders in just 3 months, and they're just getting started. The next steps include moving into a dedicated full-time space with a full-time employee and branching out from possibly just Notre Dame gear. And Allison, Christmas is just around the corner. Hint, hint.